Penguin Chocolate Swiss Roll. Hey, today we are making something really fun. It's a chocolate Swiss roll, but with a special surprise inside. Look at that, the moment of truth, and here it is, our super cute penguin design baked right onto this chocolate cake. Ta-da! A penguin! Isn't it cute? My son absolutely loves this cake, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. That is more than just a cake. It's a fun baking project that brings so much fun and joy to do together. Let me show you how you can make this at home too.
There's one my mommy made this, so it's penguin.
Alright, let's start with our penguin drawing mixture. These are all the ingredients that we need to do the drawing. 15 grams of everything. Softened butter and powdered sugar mixed together until silky smooth. Next, we add flour and egg white, mixing until it forms a smooth batter. This is what we will create our detailed penguin. Continuous mix it. The perfect texture for the drawing should be smooth, thick, and pliable like this, holding its shape without spreading too much. When lifting with the spoon, it should flow slowly in ribbons and settle smoothly. Now we divide the batter and add a splash of food coloring to bring our penguin to life. Black for the detailed outline, pink for the body, and yellow for its little beak and feet. To create a precise penguin drawing for our Swiss roll, start by sketching the design on a plain white sheet of paper using a dark marker. Keep the design simple with bold outlines to ensure clarity when tracing on the baking paper. Place your drawing underneath a sheet of parchment paper on your baking tray. Now we can start using our prepared color batter in piping bags. Carefully trace and fill in the design following the lines. Why black outline first? Well, just like when you're drawing on paper, an outline gives us a clear shape to work with. It's like the skeleton of our penguin, helping us keep everything in proportion. Don't worry about being perfect here. We are going for cute and fun, not a professional painting. Just a simple oval for the body, a little curve for the head, and some basic lines for the wing. Look at that, I'm shivering a little bit. But no problem, where you get that something wrong on the line, just wipe it off and do it all over again. Now we are going to fill in the penguin's outer body with pink color. Why pink? Well, it adds a fun, playful touch. You can use any color you would like, but pink makes our penguin extra adorable. See how the black outline keeps the pink neat and contained? It's like coloring inside the lines, but with cake batter. Next, white color, which is the original batter color for the face and dummy. You can also use the white coloring to make it more white color on that. This light color will make the penguin's features stand out and give it a friendly expression. The white face really makes the penguin's eyes pop after you baked the cake. And the dummy is just a little extra detail to make it even cuter. Well, tell you a secret, I don't have enough white color. That's why when you see my penguin, there is a little bit spot all around its tummy. Finally, yellow color. We're using this for penguin's beak and feet. These small details add a pop of color and make our penguin look even more charming. Let's fill the remaining batter for all the dummy gaps and the eyes. Once you're happy with the drawing, freeze the tray for at least 30 minutes to set the design. While freezing the tray and the design, let's prepare our chocolate cake batter. In a clean bowl, include 70 grams cake flour. I'm doing my own cake flour, which is 7 grams of cornstarch and 63 grams of plain flour. To enhance the flavor, I include 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 4 teaspoons of good quality of cocoa powder, mix in our remaining 63 grams of plain flour, which equivalent to 70 grams of cake flour if you buy from the shops. Shift them all together. While doing so, if you are new to my channel, welcome! Don't forget to click on the subscribe button or click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipes. In separate bowl, put in 4 egg yolks, 40 ml canola oil and 60 ml of milk. Now mix in all the shifted chocolate cake flour and gently whisk until you have a smooth chocolatey mixture. Set it aside. As usual, making our meringue. Beat egg white with 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 40 grams of custard sugar. Beat until you get glossy, stiff peaks. Once done, let's combining and baking. Now gently fold the meringue into the cake batters in 3 parts. Be careful not to deflate it. We want a soft cloud-like Swiss roll. Pro tips here is sort the whisk with the spatula and fold it gently. Now get our penguin tray from the freezer. Carefully pour the batter over our penguin drawing. Be careful, making sure you don't scratch the penguin drawing and evenly spread across all the chocolate sponge batter. My pro tips here is using the spatula or a cake scraper to even out the surface of the cake, especially the edge. Once you're happy with that, bake at the preheated oven at 170 Celsius or 338 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, depending on your oven. Once baked, flip the cake onto a clean sheet of parchment paper upside down and gently peel off the original one to reveal our penguin. Look how cute is that, how satisfying that is. Seamlessly transfer our drawings onto a cake, isn't it fun?
This is me.
Once cooled down, spread a generous layer of whipped cream over the cake. This will give our Swiss roll that signature soft and creamy texture. Gently roll the cake using the parchment paper to help guide it. Then wrap it up and chill for at least an hour to set. Let's do some final touch. A little edible sprinkle on its cheek and our penguin Swiss roll is ready. The Swiss roll is not just delicious, it's a work of art. Try this fun and creative recipe at home and surprise your loved one. Here's recap my chocolate Swiss roll recipes, or you can go to hankery.com for print out recipe. Don't forget to check out tools or other recipes links video in the show note below. If you're interested in other sponge cake recipes, check out my next video, Elmo inspired sponge cake art tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun baking ideas. What characters should we try next? Let me know in the comments below. Happy baking! See you in the next video.